Chapter 4. Beautiful Birds. It is the most common bird. It can fly up to 149 kilometers per hour. In ancient times, it was used to carry messages. Pigeon. It is a colorful and talking bird. It is the largest of all parrots. It can even break a coconut with its strong beak. Macaw. It is a flightless bird. It is the largest, tallest, and the heaviest bird in the world. It is the only bird that willingly takes care of other females' eggs. Ostrich. This flightless bird is known to be the only bird to have external nostrils at the tip of its long beak. Kiwi. It bores holes into trees with the help of its strong beak. Woodpecker. It is the smallest bird in the world. It is the only bird that can fly backwards. Hummingbird. This is the only bird that can swim but cannot fly. Penguin.